My best wishes to all media persons present in this press meet. Best wishes of Navratri in advance, Dashahara. I am very glad that Bharatiya Janata Party has selected a young and dynamic youth Dalit leader, scheduled caste leader of the state, Panathala Suresh, as Bharatiya Janata Party candidate for Badvel by-election. We are going to fight this election. I don't think that Congress is in race. It is a direct fight between ruling YCP party and Bharatiya Janata Party. We are going to fight this election primarily on the failures of Honorable Jagan Mohan Reddy Garu's government for last 2.5 years. This government is utter failure, initially on economic front, financial front. He has put the state in the grave of debts, loans. The loan which initial government created for this state, he has added almost 75,000 crores to that. When there is no repaying capacity, he is taking loans, and the loan on every person of Andhra Pradesh is day by day increasing, and the interest is also increasing. There is no conducive atmosphere for the industry from across the country or globe to come in Andhra Pradesh. Nobody is ready to come here and to start business because of rowdyism, gundaism, hooliganism of YSRCP local cadre and leaders. A party of land grabbers, party of sand mafias, party of land mafias, party of liquor mafias, and many more type of mafias are ruling this state. And unfortunately, after changing the verdict from TDP to YCP, the feeling in the people of Andhra Pradesh has reached to a say in Telugu, Penam nunchi poilo paddatlo ayindi. In Hindi we say Asman se gire khajur pe atke. This is the situation of Andhra Pradesh today. So our National Secretary and leader of Andhra Pradesh, Satya Kumar Garu, the issue I want to add is the appeasement of minority and hurting Hindu sentiment every day. We are, right from our inception, from Jana Sangha and Bharatiya Janata Party, we are against any type of religious conversion by alluring people or by forceful conversion. But here in Andhra Pradesh, these both procedures are already going on, alluring people to convert, forcing people to convert. In addition to that, the state, the government is sponsoring religious conversions. Is very serious issue, and the plan of this Jagan Mohan Reddy Garu is to convert people to Christianity and consolidate his vote bank. BJP is not going to allow to happen, and we will fight on this issue. Number of places in this state on the scheduled caste reserve seats, the Christian candidates got elected, and probably the Home Minister of this state is also a Christian lady. Number of MLAs, number of places which are meant for scheduled caste people, Christians are being appointed, and in turn, injustice is happening to scheduled caste people of this state. Because according to the constitution, once a person who is a scheduled caste gets converted to Christianity, he loses his scheduled caste status, and according to law of Andhra Pradesh, he can be given status of BCC. But unfortunately, to fulfill the communal agenda, to fulfill the political agenda, to insult Hindus, Jagan Mohan Reddy Garu is promoting, sponsoring religious conversions. Paying salaries to pastors is highly objectionable. People have approached for this in the court. Well planned conspiracy to finish Telugu language from Andhra Pradesh is also being seen. All Telugu medium schools were supposed to get converted to English medium schools. But because of Bharatiya Janata Party leader Sudhish Rambotla Garu, that decision has been stopped by court. We will not allow this to happen. Honorable Narendra Modi Garu's new education policy, Shiksha Niti, it is clearly mentioned that Prathamik education, primary education should be taught in mother tongue. If at all Chief Minister is interested in English medium government schools, he can start fresh schools like Yogi Adityanath ji did. Without touching government Hindi medium schools in Uttar Pradesh, he started more than 5,000 government English medium schools, new schools. If Jagan Mohan Reddy Garu feels that the people, poor people of Andhra Pradesh wants English medium, he should initiate separate English medium government schools, not closing down Telugu medium schools. Bharatiya Janata Party is committed for Telugu Sanskriti, Telugu Sanskar, Telugu Bhasha, Telugu pride, and obviously the Hindutva. We will not allow any type of appeasement which happened in Kadapa. We saw how the local MLA tried to build a putala, a statue of Tipu Sultan, a killer of thousands of Hindus, a cruel ruler who converted lakhs of Hindus to Islam, only to appease Muslims in Kadapa. The local MLA tried to build a statue. Only because of Bharatiya Janata Party agitation, government had to stop that decision. Again one question arises.
Special invite is from TTD.
Yes. Again one question arises. Where are the culprits of Ramatirtham? Where are the culprits of the chariot burners of Antarvedi? What happened about the Nellore chariot burning? What happened about the number of mandirs were attacked? Why the case was sent to CBI? Law and order is state issue. It was the duty of Chief Minister to find the guilties and bring them to task. He is incapable. And that is why he said that we will go to CBI. It was not at all required. If you can rule, you rule or get down. Law and order should be taken care by the Chief Minister and the ruling party. And unfortunately, because of the rowdyism, the law and order in Andhra Pradesh is in danger. Again, one issue came in Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam. Unlawfully, this government added invitee members list, which is not there in the constitution of TTD. And what type of people were included in that? Criminals, looters, cheaters. Earlier, Venkateshwara Swami, the TTD board members are supposed to be the guards of that temple, the mentors of that temple, the guardians of Venkateshwara Swami. How criminals and corrupt people can become guards of Venkateshwara Swami? So again, our leader Bhanu Prakash Reddy went to court and he got stay on that decision. and now High Court has asked for explanation to this government. Number of times High Court has lashed this government. Their comments on judges, their behavior with officers, I got to know that even the MLAs of YCP, the MPs of YCP, the ministers of YCP are having strong discontent about their own government because they are not getting appointment of chief minister. Only 4 or 5 people are running this state, and only majority of the Christian administrators are ruling this state, which is horrible, which is dangerous for Andhra Pradesh. Along with this, local issues of Badvel and Kadapa, our candidate Panthala Suresh Garu, along with the team of leaders, galaxy of leaders are present here. Our CM Ramesh Garu, today he is in Delhi, he is not present, but he will be camping here for campaigning. Our Adi Narayan Reddy Garu, he will stay here and campaign. Satya Garu also will give maximum time. He is a national secretary in charge of Andaman Nicobar, co-in charge of Uttar Pradesh. Even then, he will be here for campaigning, including Purandeshwari Garu and all other leaders. Somuvir Raju Garu, myself, we will camp here and we will go every door and convince people that the promises made by YCP government are not fulfilled. The poor are becoming more poor. The life of poor is becoming miserable. And only some real estate people, they are getting benefit of this government. So on these all issues, Bharatiya Janata Party is going to fight this election. We take every election very seriously. We took Tirupati by-election very seriously. We seriously fought. Although state government became political party, how we have seen, as Satya Garu has said, that fake voters and everything was allowed by state government. State government has become office of YCP. We are not going to allow this to happen, and we will fight tooth and nail with this rowdy party in this state. And this Badvel election is litmus test. Thank you very much.